Gabriel.
I am Mahesh and my partner is Shiva. We both are studying in 9th class Telugu medium of ZPHS Samarabakla, Mahoobnagar district, Andhra Pradesh. My guide teacher name is Venkataya. Our exhibit is on environmental effects on biodiversity and its conservations. The living place of organisms is called habitat. The variety of all living organisms is called biodiversity. All plants, animals, microorganisms including human being in an ecosystem. Many organisms have come to extinct due to the environmental disasters and humanistic activities. So we should remember that every living organism has the right to live in the nature equal with human being. So therefore we should take care to conserve the biodiversity. Different impacts on biodiversity. First of all, I want to explain about deforestation, which affects on biodiversity. The forest had been destroyed by the increasing population for timber, for house construction, for establishing of industries, construction of dams and reservoirs. As a result, the wild animals lost their natural habitat and extinct from the nature. Pollution. Environmental pollution causes the reduction of some species. For example, insecticide spraying on crops leads to extinction of some birds and insects. Vehicles emit large quantity of smoke besides carbon monoxide and lead. Due to the high deposition of lead into the atmosphere, it is causes the reduction of some birds and cattle of the biodiversity. Industrialization. Industrial sewage from the factories released into aquatic region. The poisonous chemicals of that sewage killing the aquatic flora and fauna. Factories also release poisonous gases into the air. The gases contain carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, lead. Which affects on animals and human beings. So species will be reduced. Hunting. We are killing the animals for our hateful purpose, for tooth, skin and flesh. So it is causes the reduction of those species. Radiation. Radiation causes the cancer, sterility and some other diseases in animals and human beings, which is released by cell towers, cell phones, atomic power plant, etc. So radiation also leads to extinction of some species. Forest fires. Natural and humanistic activities causes forest fires. Forest fires causes the reduction of the some plants and animals. For example, dinosaurs extincted by forest fires. Biodiversity conservation. The conservation of the biodiversity has become a global concern. There are two main types of conservation methods. They are in situ conservation, ex situ conservation. First of all, let me explain in situ conservation. It is the process of protecting an endangered species in its natural habitat. For example, national parks. National parks. Natural habitat of certain endangered species are marked as national parks, where such threatened animals are protected. There are 88 national parks in India. Sanctuaries, biosphere reserves, zoo parks, botanical gardens are also come under in situ conservation. Second one is the ex situ conservation. It involves the conservation of genetic materials of species away from their area of origin in development. Ex situ conservation occurs mainly gene banks. These gene banks can be categorized into four types: seed gene banks, field gene banks, in vitro preservation, cryopreservation. First one is the seed gene banks. The example of seed gene banks are orthodox seed banks. Here orthodox seeds are preserved. These seeds can tolerate content moisture up to 3%, anaerobic condition and low temperature, even for prolonged periods. Examples: cereals and legume seeds. Second one is the field gene banks. Here recalcitrant plants and clonally propagated agricultural plants are conserved by using horticulture techniques. For examples, apple, coconut, mango, etc. In vitro preservation. It is also called tissue culture. Tissue culture is used to develop callus embryos, polygams for plant without consisting germination seeds. Cryopreservation. It is technique in which embryos, animal cells, spermatozoa are preserved at -196 degrees centigrade in nitrogen solution. At this low temperature also, nitrogen solution preserves the cells without damage. On December 23, 2011, CCMB Hyderabad scientists proved this method by experimentally. Forest fires. The non-cultivated lands of government should be modified as cultivated lands by using assistance of local people is called social forestry. The habitat of animals and should grow by social forestry. Thank you.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Mahesh.
Which class you are studying?
9th class,
Mahesh.
Telugu medium.
Which school is that?
ZPHS Amada Bakula, Mahabub Nagar.
Ammada Bakula.
Amada Bakula.
Okay, how far is from Mahabub Nagar?
50, 80.
80 kilometers, huh?
Mahabubnagar to 50 kilometers.
Okay. And who is your guide teacher?
Venkataya. Venkataya.
As he came?
Meena sir.
Oh, Meerana. So you are science teacher to this?
Bioscience teacher.
Oh, great. So he explained very well. And what you wanted to become? Like, what's your ambition?
బయోడైవర్సిటీ అనేది కన్జర్వేషన్ చేసుకోవాలి.
నీ అంబిషన్
In future?
భవిష్యత్తు లోపల
సైంటిస్ట్.
నా పిల్లాడు తెలుగు మీడియం సార్.
Very good. What's your father doing?
ఫాదర్
He was dead, sir.
Okay, no problem. Wonderful. God bless you.
Thank you.